Okay, so in question 9 on the practice test, it says draw these 3 line segments on a 1 centimeter grid paper. Find the length of each line segment to 1 decimal place. So if you see this 1 line segment here, we want to create that triangle. So if we go down to and over 1, 2, 3, so this would be 2 centimeters because it's on a 1 centimeter grid, and this would be 3 centimeters. We are trying to find the hypotenuse. So all we have to do is plug it into type 1. C squared is h squared because we do not know that. And then 2 and 3 are the other side lengths. So h squared is equal to 2 squared is 4, 3 squared is 9, h squared is 4 plus 9, which is 13. We want to get rid of the square, so we square root, but whatever we do on the left-hand side, we do on the right-hand side. So we get h is equal to square root 13, and this is in centimeters. Okay, do the same thing for the second line. Create that triangle so it goes down 1 centimeter and it goes over 1, 2 centimeter. Make sure you're going all the way to the point there. So again, we don't have the hypotenuse, which is the line segment. So we go c squared equals a squared plus b squared. C squared is h squared, and then a and b are 1 squared and 2 squared. So h squared equals 1 squared is 1 times 1, which is 1. 2 squared, 2 times 2, which is 4. H squared is equal to 5. We square root to get rid of the square. Square root both sides, so h is equal to square root 5 centimeters. It also asks to put these to the 1 decimal place, so if we put in square root 13 for the first answer, we get 3.6 centimeters, and square root 5 is 2.2 centimeters, 2.2 centimeters. In this one, it's on a 1 centimeter grid, so we just know this is 1, 2 centimeters. We already know that's 2 centimeters. We don't have to do anything. For B, it asks, could these line segments be arranged to form a triangle? Can they create a right triangle? So the answer is yes, and it's a right triangle. And this one would be yes, and it does create a right triangle. This one is debatable. The line segment, I'm sure you could draw a triangle with it, but technically with just a straight line, it's not a triangle, and it's just a straight line.